friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for joining me in today's video. I'll be showing you how to make yogurt cake. This yogurt cake is really light, airy and really flavorful, and it tastes just like yogurt. Stay tuned and see how this is made. To make this yogurt cake, bring in your sifted flour into a mixing bowl. I'm using 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. You can also add in almond flour or cake flour. To it, add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Also add in half teaspoon of salt and fresh lemon zest from a whole lemon. Lemon zest adds to the flavor of this yogurt cake. So once I'm done, I'm just going to whisk everything together and then set this aside. In another bowl, combine 2 room temperature eggs, whisk this lightly to break up every lump. Next, go in with 3/4 cup of plain yogurt. So I'm just going to whisk this to break every lump in this. Okay, once it's smooth and nice, go in with half cup of flavorless oil. You can use vegetable oil or any other oil of your choice. Also whisk to combine. I just love to go in with my ingredients one after another, just so that all the ingredients will have the time to blend evenly. Next, go in with 1 cup of granulated sugar. And lastly, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, just to round up the flavor. Okay, the vanilla flavor, it's optional. You can omit that if you don't like it. So once we are done, go in with the wet ingredients. Gently fold in the batter with your spatula. So guys, once you have a very smooth batter like this, go ahead and brush your non-stick cake pan with some oil, or you can easily spray it with cake spray. Place a rounded parchment paper in the middle of the pan, just like so. You can now pour in your cake batter. You can smoothen the top of the cake with a spatula, just like so. And also you can add some nuts or fruits to your yogurt cake. Whatever topping you like, you can add it to this cake. So once you're done, you can pop it into your preheated oven and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 45 minutes. Just to let you know, some people's oven work differently, so you can easily rotate your cake as it bakes so that it bakes evenly on every side. 35 minutes later, our yogurt cake is out of the oven. You can insert a skewer into it. Once it comes out clean and dry, it means this is ready. You have to let this cool down for about 15 minutes before taking it out of the pan. Once your yogurt cake has cooled down, you can go ahead and cut this into the shape you want. This is a type of cake that I really love. It's moist, soft, and it doesn't need any frosting, so you can easily enjoy it as you wish. You can see the texture. It's really soft and I love it. I know you also love this. And just before serving your yogurt cake, you can sprinkle some sugar powder over the top, just like so. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and this was how to make a simple yogurt cake at home. It's quite easy and I hope you try this out and let me know what you think. You can share this video with your friends and give me a thumbs up. And please, if you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss any updates. Until next time guys, bye for now.